Hi everybody, this is Lance from Thetatraderz. This quick update video, I want to go over a few new member channels that we added called the Inner Circle. These will go to the yearly and lifetime members. So if you're currently in Thetatraderz as a monthly or a quarterly, and you might want to see these channels, just send me or Russell a message and we could get you sorted out there. If you're new to Thetatraderz and you might be interested in these longer term plans, you'll be getting exclusive access to these. So the Inner Circle has three separate channels, just my trades, workshop, and Inner Circle Zoom calls. For the Lance's trades, just going to go to the top in the pinned channel. So this channel is for anyone on yearly or lifetime, be able to see any trade I do in any of my accounts that are not part of the official recommendations. So I'm not going to be posting if I said, cash secured put for 9.16, and then I filled that, because assume that I'm doing most of these trades anyway. So I'm just going to be putting additional trades I'm going to be doing. This includes the Roth IRA, any buy and hold purchases, so longer term investments if you're into those things. Plans to add $1,000 into the Roth IRAs with me and my wife. That ends up maxing out our Roth IRAs because you could put $6,000 a year into both. And we're going to add about $1,000 a month into various brokerage. We use Thinkorswim and Tastytrade for the separate brokerages. So any new purchases that I make, I'm going to be posting on this trade channel. Did do a few trades already from, August 25th. Put my current positions, so you can see everything that I currently have, my strategy and what I'm going to be using, and Tastytrade. Also have a in the money covered call that I did today that ended up being a pretty good profit of about $30 in just the day, off about $400 in buying power. So it was a good return. So that's going to be the trades that I'm considering doing and trades that I actually have done. These are ones for TQQQ. I'm going to be essentially rolling out my long-term leap and sell more options off that. The next channel is called Lance's Workshop. In this one, I'm going to be posting random thoughts I'm considering. Won't necessarily trade these things, but it'll give you another viewpoint on different strategies that are theta-based. And we're going to be looking for ways to make money on time decay and options. Okay. So I did post a video from Synthetic Yields. I have the interview here, my thoughts on the video. Also mentions a possible strategy I'm going to use for MES. It's a little bit more risky than the normal trades we do in Thetatraderz. I haven't actually done this trade yet, but I go over the reasoning behind why I might want to go with a little higher delta in this particular case. Third channel is the Inner Circle Zoom calls. In this one, we're going to be doing exclusive Zoom sessions just for Inner Circle members to get a little bit more personalized touch in a smaller group, and people that might want to discuss anything they're interested in, their account sizes, allocations, what to do about certain positions. So if you want a little bit more of that personal attention, you'll be able to get it here. So again, if you might be interested in these services, these are all additions to the regular Thetatraderz. You can just join for a yearly or lifetime membership. On the quarterlies and monthlies, we're still going to be doing everything we've been doing before. So nothing's going to change there. You'll still get your daily 0 DTE trades, option trades that are longer term, 3-month trades for SPY, and even the futures trades. So again, I'm Lance from Thetatraderz. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and let's have a good one.